Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class we will see question number 6 determines 5 marks dear students. So how to solve this one you will see here. Solve the system of equations using matrix method. 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1. X minus 2y minus z is equal to 3 by 2. 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. So by using matrix method, here we have to solve this sum dear students. So main important in this question is we have to find the value of what? X, y, z. These are the given unknowns for us. We have to find the value of x, y, z dear students. So now how to start the answers here? So first you write the given system of equations. The given system of equations can be written in the form ax is equal to b dear students. Then what is a and what is x and what is b dear students? So in the last class also in previous videos we have solved this one dear students, determinant. Those who are not seen, please go through the playlist of determinants 5 marks. You will understand this one. So same way we are solving this also dear students. So now see here, where a is what? Where a? See here, what is a? A is, I will write here dear students, a is, so what are the numbers related with x, y and z? No, that numbers you have to write here. So x coefficient is what? Coefficient means number only. Coefficient is here 2. So y coefficient is 1. Z coefficient is 1 dear students. So I am using the square bracket. Can you observe here dear students? All are observing. I am using here square bracket. Don't get confused. So now see, don't write determinant. Fine. So here x is related with what? 1. Number 1 or not here. Nothing is there means 1 will be there. Y related with minus 2 coefficient. Z coefficient is minus 1 dear students. Can you see here? Nothing is there means 1. Here x is not there. If x is not there means in third you see here 3y minus 5z is equal to 9. X is missing. X is not there means you have to write the value as what? 0 dear students. So x is not given means 0. If y is not given means y value will become 0. If z is not given means z value is 0. So here x is not there, that's why x value is becoming 0. Y is how much? That is 3. Z is how much? Minus 5 dear students. This is your A. So now what is x? X is what? Capital X is. So we have to find this unknowns. Capital X is nothing but what? X, Y, Z. These unknowns only we have to find. So now what is B? B is nothing but constants dear students. Constants are here. Equal to 1, equal to 3 by 2, 9 is there? No, those are only your B values. 1, 3 by 2, 9 dear students. Understood everyone? What is A, what is X and what is B? So we have written the system of equations in this form. Why we are writing Ax is equal to B means dear students. So if you multiply A into X, you know how to multiply A into X. So row into column you know, matrix how to multiply you know very well. So if you multiply, see, A into X, first row, first column you multiply, 2 into X is what? 2X is there or not? So second to second, 1 into Y is there. So 1 into Z is what? Z is there dear students. And is equal to B, you have written equal to B means what? Equal to how much it is? 1 is there or not? Similarly, second row, first column you do 1 into X, X is there, minus 2 into Y, minus 2Y, minus 1 into Z is minus Z is equal to 3 by 2. Understood? That's why we will write the given system of equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to B dear students. I hope it is clear for you. So if I take A on RHS, what will happen you see? Therefore, X is equal to, I am taking this capital A on this side. It will become A inverse dear students. A inverse into B and I will call this as equation number 1. So if you take A on RHS, no, that will become A inverse. So A inverse, see how to find A inverse. A inverse, we have a formula, dear students. Very easily you can write here. So now A inverse formula, maximum dear students know this one very well. So A inverse is what? 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A, dear students. So what it is? A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Clear everyone? A inverse means 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. So now I have to find this x only. X is nothing but what? X, Y, Z only I have to find. Clear? So first I have to find A inverse. B is already given. 1, 3 by 2, 9. So maximum students will get scared of 3 by 2. Don't worry about that. So I am not saying all the students will get scared. Some of the students will not understand this one. So now see here. A inverse into B means 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. That means I have to find determinant A, dear students, first. So why we have to find determinant A means if my determinant value A is equal to 0 means A inverse does not exist. What I am saying? A inverse does not exist, dear students. Clear everyone? So now I will find now determinant now. Determinant A, how to find, you see here. So determinant A. See determinant A. So I am writing which which brackets I am using, you see here. Here I had used square bracket. This was in matrix. I am using here parallel lines, dear students. Parallel lines. Parallel lines means determinant, dear students. Determinant A will represent by parallel lines. So now A is what? So 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Next is 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0, 3 minus 5. 0, 3 minus 5. So now I will expand this one to find the determinant A value, dear students. How to expand? See here. You know this formula is very well. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Whichever column or whichever row you expand, answer will come same only, dear students. Determinant A. So now I will expand here R1, dear students. Expand R1. R1 is what? R1 is this, dear students. Row 1. Row 1 is called as what? This is your R1. So R1 I will expand now. See here. Plus into plus 2. Plus into plus. Plus only. Plus 2 I can write. So plus 2 we have written. 2 is where, dear students? This 2 is where? In first row it is there. First column. And what you are left with? You delete those both. See, 2 is in first row, first column. You delete those both. What will remain now? You write in determinant. Determinant, see how I am writing. Minus 2 is remaining, minus 1, 3, minus 5. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? 2 कहाँ है ना? वो रो को छोड़ो, वो कॉलम को छोड़ो, जो बचता है वो लिखो डिटरमिनेंट में. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 1ನೇ ರೋ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, 1ನೇ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅವನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, -2 -1 3 -5. that much only you have to write, dear students. Determinant ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Got it? So now next is what? Next minus into plus -1, minus into +1 is -1, dear students. Clear? So where this 1 is there? In a first row is there and second column is there. First row you leave, second column. What you are left with? 1 -1 0 -5, dear students. Clear? So first row I had left, second column 1 -1 0 -5 is left. I written in determinant. So next is what? Plus into +1. Plus into +1 is what? +1 only. So where 1 is there? So I will write determinant this. First row you leave, last column you leave. What you are left with? 1 -2 0 3. 1 -2 0 3, dear students. Clear? So now you can expand this one. 2 into. Now see how to this one. How to expand this one? You see here. Minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10, dear students. How I am multiplying? See, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. I wrote plus 10 here. So when you are multiplying now 3 into minus 1 now, before multiplying you should have to write minus sign, dear students. So minus I will write 3 into minus 1 minus 3 written. Understood or not? Everyone clear? So if you are understanding what you have to do, you have to like my channel, dear students. So please, it's my humble request for you. Please like the channel. So we'll continue now. So minus 1. So totally maths Lageraho is a free of cost, dear students. No money is required for us. So now directly you can solve here. Only you have to do I like is what? Only just you have to like and subscribe my channel. Those who are not subscribed and those who are not like, please like my channel. So now see here. How to multiply this? 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus I will write. Clear? Minus I will write. Before multiplying this, you have to write minus sign here. 0 into minus 1 is 0, dear students. Clear? 0 into anything is 0. Understood? So now next you see here. Plus 1. So again I will multiply 1 into 3. 3 minus 0 into minus 2. 0, dear students. Will you agree everyone? Very clear? Everyone are understanding? So here a line is there. I mean same only like this. So it is not seen here properly. So if you want little bit I will show you. I hope you can see now. Can you see? There is a line is there. Fine. So now see. How to solve this one? You see. 2, 10 minus into minus plus 3. Minus 1 I will write. Minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5. 1. 3 minus 0 is 3, dear students. So now try to understand. 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. 13 I will write. Minus into minus plus 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 13 is how much? 26 plus 5 plus 3. How much you got? Determinant A now. Total you add. 26 plus 5 is 31. 31 plus 3 is how much? 34. 34 I will write, which is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Determinant A is 34, which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0 means A inverse exists, dear students. A inverse exists. Why? Because you know, if determinant value is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is what? 1 by 0 is what? Not defined. That means A inverse does not exist, dear students. A inverse does not exist, I am saying. Understood? If it is equal to 0. But here it is what? Not equal to 0. 34 means what? Which is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. So, therefore what? A inverse exists, dear students. I hope you understood. So, let us find what? Adjoint of A. Please copy this. We'll continue the answer, dear students. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied the answer. So now let us continue with what? To find what? Adjoint of A. To find adjoint of A, dear students. So we have to find here now adjoint of A. For that A is required. That's why I have written. This is not required to write in your fair book or notebook, dear students. So for your understanding purpose, I have written here because I will use to find what? Adjoint of A here. So now first we will make an arrangement, dear students. To find adjoint of A, how we will make the arrangement, you see here. We have to find the cofactors here. Cofactors are nothing but what? A11, A12, A13 and 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. So A33 tak karna hai humko. Fine. So now first one is what? A11. So how we will write, you see. A11. So A11. Next is A12 and next is A13. So after that you have to write here A21, A22, so A23. So another is last you have to write A31, A32 A33, dear students. Fine. We have to find this all the cofactors, dear students. So for that, just now I had written, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Same to same. You have to write the sign for this. Plus minus plus. So how it is? Plus minus plus. And next is minus plus minus. Plus minus plus, dear students. Clear? So now how to find A11? A11 I have to find A11. 1 1 means first row, first column you leave. So you have to leave what? First row, first column. So you leave first row, first column now. What is left? -2, -1, 3, -5. Yes or no? That you have to write in determinant. You have to write in determinant. -2, -1, 3, -5, dear students. Now I will write all the determinants here. So to make it very easy to solve. So now see. Next is what? First row you have to leave second column or not. A12 means first row you have to leave second column. First row is what? This is the first row. And you leave second column. What is left? 1 -1. 1 -1. 0 -5. 0 -5. Will you agree? I am leaving first row, second column. 1 -1. 0 -5. A12 means. So next is what? A13. A13 means what? You have to leave first row, third column. You have to leave what? First row, third column. What is left now? 1 -2, 0, 3. 1 -2, 0, 3, dear students. Clear? So next is what? Second row you have to leave first column. A21 means second row, first column you leave. Second row is what? You have to leave second row this first column. What you are left with? 1 1 3 -5. 1 1 3 -5. Clear? Next is what? Second row, second column you have to leave. Second row you leave second column. You leave second row, second column. What is left now? 2 1 0 -5. 2 1 0 -5, dear students. Next is what? Second row you have to leave third column. Second row you leave third column you leave. Second row, third column. What you are left with? 2 1 0 3. 2 1 0 3. Clear everyone? So next is what? Third row, first column. Third row you leave, first column you leave. What is left now? 1 1 -2 -1. So next third row you leave, second column. So what is left now? 2 1 1 -1. 2 1 1 -1. Clear? So next is what? Third row, third column. You leave third row, third column. 2 1 1 -2. 2 1 1 -2, dear students. Clear? Everyone understood this one? So now how to simplify this one? You see here. So now plus is there, no need of writing. So now see, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10, dear students. So before multiplying this, I have told you minus sign you have to write. 3 into -1 -3. So how much you will get? 10 minus into minus plus 3. 10 plus 3 is how much? 13, dear students. A11 value is how much? 13. Understood everyone? So please, if you are understanding, like my channel, once again reminding. So please do it. So A11, we got this. So now next is what? A12. Here minus sign is there, dear students. Minus sign you write. 1 into -5 is what? -5. Minus you write. 0 into -1 is 0, dear students. Understood or not? So minus sign is written as is 1 into -5 is -5. Minus you have to write before multiplying 0 into -1. 0 into -1 is 0, dear students. So now how much you will get? You know this one. So that will give -5 minus 0 is minus 5 only, dear students. So minus into minus plus 5, dear students. Everyone agree? So next is what you see. Plus sign is there, no need of writing. 1 into 3, 3. Minus I will write 0 into minus 2, 0. 0 into minus 2 is 0, dear students. 3 minus 0 is what? 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Clear everyone? So now next is what you see. Here minus sign is there. A 2 1 started now. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Minus I will write 3 into 1, 3, dear students. So minus I will write as it is. Minus 5 and minus 3 is how much? Minus 8. So minus into minus plus 8, dear students. Understood? A21 means. So now A22. 2 plus is there, no need of writing plus because it will not change any sign. 2 into minus 5 is what? Minus 10. Minus you write 0 into 1, 0. How much you got? Minus 10, dear students. So now next minus sign is there, I will write 2 3s are 6. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Minus sign you have to write. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 into minus is minus 6, dear students. Got it? So I hope everyone is clear about this. So next is what you see. Plus sign is there, no need of writing. So this is nothing but A21 now. So if you want, I will write A21. This is A12 and this is A22 and this is A13 if you want. So this is A23. Clear? So next this one you see. Plus sign is there, no need of writing. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. I will write minus sign before multiplying. Minus 2 into 1 you have to write minus sign now. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 बच्चों. चमका कि नहीं सबको? This is a halwa question. So now see. Board is giving halwa for you. So minus into minus plus 2. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1, dear students. This is nothing but A31. Now A32 you see. Minus I will write 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus I will write 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 2 minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 you can write. A33 now see. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 1 into 1 is 1. Before multiplying this minus sign you have to write. I told. Minus is written. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 4 or minus 1 is minus 5, dear students. How much? Minus 5. A33 is minus 5. Don't get confused. I think you can't understand, some of you. See, once again I will write. Minus 5. Clear? Everyone? Everyone, is it clear? Minus 5, this is don't get confused. So I hope you understood how to find the cofactors. And this is not required, dear students, for your understanding purpose. I have written. No need of writing in board exam. So I will erase this one. So now see, let us find what? Adjoint of A. So now we are we have already got the cofactors. Now therefore adjoint of A, how we will write? You know the formula. Adjoint of A is what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We have to find this one, dear students. So now A11 is what? A12, A13. Already we got the answers. Can you see A11, A12, A13? Same way, how this is in serial wise, no? Same way only I have written in this. Clear, huh? Everyone. So now we can substitute the values. How much you will get, you say? What is A11? 13. So A12, that is 5. A13 is 3. So next is what? A21 is 8. So next is minus 10. Next is minus 6. And this is 1. Next is 3 and minus 5. Everyone understood what is the adjoint of A? Clear, everyone? So this is what adjoint of A. So now equation 1 becomes, already you know, dear students, therefore equation 1 becomes, Therefore what? Equation 1 becomes, क्या होता है देखो अभी, equation 1 becomes, clear है? Equation 1 becomes, so now see, equation 1 already you have copied this, so what? A inverse is equal to what? A inverse, x is equal to what? A inverse into B or not? What is A inverse, dear students? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A into B or not? This is the formula. So now 1 by determinant A. Determinant A is how much? 34. What is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is 13, 8, 1, 5, minus 10, 3, 3, minus 6, minus 5. Into B. B is what? What is the B value, sir? So B value I will see, because I don't have now. 1, 3 by 2, 9. 1, 3 by 2, 9, dear students. This is your B value. Constants are already, you have copied there, dear students. This is correct or not, you go through this. I had seen and written this one. So now see here. So row into column you have to multiply. Don't multiply 1 by 34 inside. Now only, otherwise simplification will become very complicated. Complicate होता है simplification. Complicate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ if ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ 1 by 34 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So that's why no need of multiplying, directly you can work now. So now first you multiply this and this, then you will work. So 1 by 34 is kept as is. So now see, first row, first column you have to multiply. Matrices you know how to multiply. So 13 into 1 is, 13 into 1 is how much? 13 up. So next up, second to second, now try to understand. 8 into 3 by 2, 8 into 3 by 2, 1 into 9, 9. Clear everyone? So next you see, first row, second column is not there, I had ended this. So all you have to add them. Clear up? So if it is not adding here, then if you write separately, you will lose the mark, dear students. Because this is first row, first column. Understood? This is the first row, first column. Clear up? So don't write separately. First row, second column means you can write separately. But second column is not there here. Now see, second row first. 5 1 ja 5, minus 10 into, minus into plus is minus 10 into 3 by 2, 3 into 9, 27, dear students. Second row first column is over. Now third row first column. 3 1 ja 3, minus into plus is minus 6 into 3 by 2, second to second. Third to third, minus into plus is minus 5 9 ja 45. So how much will get, you see? Simplification I will show. 1 by 34, we can write as is. So now see, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. How much? 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, dear students. How much it is there? 13 plus 4 3 ja how much? 4 3 ja 12 plus 9. Will you agree or not? You see this one, everyone. Clear? So next is what? Here you see 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. 5 I will write as is minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Will you agree or not? This one you see 2 1 ja 2 5 ja and cancelled. So minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, plus 5 is there as it is I wrote here. First one. So now see, plus 27 I wrote. Plus 27. I hope you are not seeing. Okay, now you can see. Clear? So now see here. Next is what? 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. So 3 I will write as is minus 3 into 3 is minus 9 minus 45. How much will get, you see? X is equal to 1 by 34 and this one you see 13 plus 12 is how much? 13 plus 12 is 25. 25 plus 9 is how much? 34, dear students. 34. Will you agree? 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 27. that is plus 17, dear students. See, once again I will say 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 27 is, that is plus 17. 3 minus 9 minus 6. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 45 is minus 51. So you multiply inside 1 by 34. So what you will get, you see 1 by 34 into 34. So next you see here, I will write 1 by 34 into 17. 1 by 34 into minus 51. So this we have got. So now simplify this one. How much you will get? See here, 34 get cancelled. So how much you got this? This value is 1. So now see, 17 1 ja, 17 2 ja. So how much you got? 1 by 2, dear students. Yes or no? 17 1 ja, 17 2 ja. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 by 2 you got. So next term. So 17 3 ja, 17 2 ja. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 divided by 2. Understood? So everyone, therefore x value is how much? 1, y value is 1 by 2, z value is minus 3 by 2. So these are the required answer, my dear students. This is 1 by 2. So this is also 2. Don't get confused. Here also this is also 2. So I hope you are understanding. So most probably you have understood this one. So if you are understanding, please like my channel. So those who are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. I hope you will support me and help me. We'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.